Does the GLPT sound like a mountain to you? If you say yes, the OneJPN GLPT Mastery app can show you the way to climb. Here's how it works. Likely, traditional textbooks are boring, lessons are unrealistic, and contexts are irrelevant to your life. That's why you feel the GLPT like a misery. To solve these problems is where the OneJPN works on. First of all, you can take the assessment test to know where you are now. Then, we recommend you a learning path to show where you should start. What makes the OneJPN unique is all teachers here are VGBer, meaning that you'll be taught by highly efficient VGBer teachers, and video lessons from these VGBers would be friendly and enjoyable. Also, we will teach you real Japanese used in the daily life of Japan, and our video lessons are fresh enough to match your interests, like anime and pop culture. Sounds amazing? Yeah, it's really amazing. Besides being amazing, it's also practical. You can practice grammar, vocabulary, listening, and reading skills with sniper short questions in both the test mode and normal one. It does make you get perfect. What keeps you more perfect is our AI generated GLPT question sets. These question sets can give you the courage to face with the real test. I bet you will feel it. So, our method is simple, and so is our goal, to help you master the GLPT. Download the app for free and meet with our VTubers. OneJPN, no variant.